I am Keegan from TakeoffQS, and today I'm going to go through the changelog and show you guys all a few of the new features that we've put into TakeoffQS in July. First one I want to go over here is our group cladding section. So in order to speed up allocating what cladding we're looking at, we've now got a button here, and we just simply click on our sections, group all our cladding, approve. We know this is all plaster. Happy with that, and then we add vertical fibre cement weatherboard here for the gable. Do the same with our hidden cladding here. And then the next feature I want to touch on here is a pretty big one here. We've got material extraction. So essentially everything you can see here on this right hand side is a material that's noted somewhere in the plans, and it has pulled it out and listed it all out for us. So full observability, traceability with this. So saying there's 200mm vertical oblique, click this, locates it on the plan, zoom over, right there. It's the same with every item, so just that full traceability. Essentially this is what will become the end result of a full balance of house takeoff. Another feature in this section worth mentioning is now we can actually outsource the plans to external suppliers from here. So for instance, your Windows section here, you click send to supplier, Windows package, you have your supplier loaded on the home page, give them a quote, due date, any notes. This is for XYZ builder. And then you can actually share the drawings with your annotated markups to help speed them up too. So go ahead and share and then send, and that email will then send out to that supplier. So a few of the other changes worth mentioning in the changelog here. With our pre-nail workflow, we've now added in a raftered area, so you can draw a box to dictate which area over the roof plan there are going to be rafters. And it takes the pitch and the ridge and the run and can give you the lineal meterage of rafters. And then similarly for specialty trusses, you can add in areas of scissor trusses, attic trusses, coved trusses, and it will give you the run divided by the spacing to give you the count of those specialty trusses. Next section here that I want to show you is the framing logic section in our pre-nail workflow. So this is after we've taken all of our measurements and allows us to actually start building wall types with different stud centers, nog centers, timber profiles, heights, etc. And then assigning that to the wall widths. So when we get to the final screen, we actually have correct quantities of the timber associated with the pre-nail. So here we've got our internal walls. We just go 1, name it, set our timber profile and our stud spacing, wall height, and then we just go ahead and assign our walls. So wall type 1 external, 90mm framing, and we just go like this. And now wall type 2 for our 140mm framing, 400 centers, look like that, and our internals. Apply our project inputs here. And now we're able to continue through to the pricing. So on the screen here, you kind of can see a summary of the external and internal wall runs. Then it's broken down a little bit further, giving us actually the amount of 90mm external wall framing in terms of stud count and stud lineal meter and nog lineal meters. and then our external 140mm framing, so also giving us our stud count there based on the centres we assigned that wall type to. So thank you very much for joining us here at the changelog. Welcome any feedback, any questions. Don't hesitate to get in touch, and look forward to doing next month's. Cheers.